Good morning, traders. It's 9:31 a.m. It is the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly, and the financial yearly expiry today for Bank Nifty and Nifty indices. So it's going to be a very topsy-turvy day. A lot of zigzag, a lot of volatility expected. At the moment, what I've done is I have shorted 39,500 call option at 9:29 just 2 minutes ago at 270. My first target is 241 and my second target is 225. Now I'm going to wait, and if in case this moves up, I have another trade that is already in profit. So if in case this moves up, I'm going to add more quantity and see for a downswing. Not much. Once it breaks 225, I'll start trading my stop loss, and let's see how much profit we can get from this. Right, traders, time is 9:39. What happened was it came and tested this first target 3 times. I wanted to leave at this target because I see an upside, short upside, and then a down, and then again an up. So I'll be playing every direction possible today. So once this touched my target of 241, I trail the stop loss to less than cost, that is at 268. Now it hit, and now it's just floating over. So I'm still going to wait. My green line might reject the VWAP line and then it'll come down again. So I'm going to wait for another entry. Please keep watching. Traders, time is 9:52. I've seen a 39,500 call option which I earlier shorted and left at no loss, no profit. So now I see it being stable at this level with VWAP being flat, and my indicator showing that there is going to be a slight push up. So what I'm going to do is I've already bought it at 256 just 2 minutes ago, and my first target is 276, second target is 296. I'm looking for very short scalps today, not something very long, because market is going to be extremely volatile. Now that is coming down, I'm going to square this off at a loss of 257. 256 is my buy, so 216 is my stop loss right here. Okay, traders, what happened just now? 9:58. This call option, okay, it was rising. So what I did was I quickly sold 39,800 call options, 2 lots at 80 each. So that's 160 points. So here I bought this at 250, and that I sold at 160. So now even if this drops to 90, that will cover the loss. Okay, if this goes up till 39,900, I'm covered. Now you can see the volatility, the up and down that is happening. So I waited for this to come up, and then I sold 38,800. So the profit on that between 39,200 and 39,900 is 5,000 rupees. Let's see if this stays stable and that starts decaying. We'll book a good profit on that. Okay, traders, fantastic explosion on the call options over here. What I bought at 256 is now crossed 400, 150 points a move. It is amazing. The 39,800 call option is negative, but the profit and loss is almost equal. 39,900 is the cutoff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another call sell on 39,800 and also pull up the put that I shorted. So let's see how that works out. Traders, the time is 11:18 and I had bought Reliance after this massive fall, and as per my indicators I bought Reliance at 2220.72. I bought 60 quantity and I kept the stop loss as 2212. So all in all, that's about almost 9 points, you could say. So my risk capacity is 540 rupees on this particular trade. I'm leaving the upside open, and I will start trailing the stop loss once it crosses VWAP over here, which is currently at 22.29. So if it starts moving up, I'm not expecting it to blast up, but yes, there will be some positive movement based on my indicators, and I will wait for this. If the stop loss hits, I'm not going to re-enter into this trade. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Okay, traders, as usual, what the market does so beautifully, it comes exactly triggers at the stop loss over here and it starts going back up. Now I'll do a video on this by the end of the day and see what was our potential had we not kept a stop loss, or if we had kept a bigger stop loss. Right now the time is 11:47. I'm going to leave this for now. I'm not going to re-enter into this trade. Okay, traders, the day has ended. Is 3:31 now, and I promised you that I will talk to you about Reliance. See what happened. I bought 60 quantity at 2220.72 over here. It went down, knocked me out of my stop loss. Though my stop loss of 8 points was very small, usually I keep a little more, but I did not want to take much risk and just see what happens. After it knocks me out just at this level, it rallies, it just breaks out. Even if I left over here, I would have made 16 points. 16 into 60 is 840 rupees. Anyway, this is what the market does. It just knocks you out and then it goes its way where it was planned before. So my indicators were correct. I was properly in a trade. My stop loss was probably, it was my mistake to put the stop loss so close. So yeah, Reliance got me out. And another thing, what happened was today, I am very disappointed. This amount was actually plus 8,000 rupees. And where I got knocked out was because of a very heavy shorting that I did on a Nifty call options, which I did not at all expect to explode the way it did. So what happened on this chart? Okay, 17,050 call option. I have shorted it over here and actually shorted it over here, and then it went down, then it came back up. I added more quantities as per my indicator. It was going to fall, which it did. As you can see, it fell so much over here and stayed over here. Now I wanted it to take it to zero. It was around 4 or 5 over here, and I was on a very good profit, and I was plus 8,000. And some distraction, one candle, two candle, and then this breakout. What happened was it is so disappointing why I did this. Looking at this rejection, I thought it would pause over here, but then suddenly there was such a big move at once. It really put me in a bad loss. I was very heavy on this move, and it's very disappointing. The whole day you work so hard, and at the last 15 minutes, it just everything just goes crazy and puts you in a loss. So yeah, plus 8,000, I fell to minus 1,000, and I am sure with all the charges this could go to minus 3,000 or even worse, probably 4,000 or 5,000. Anyway, good day turned really, really bad. This is a lesson. If you are looking for a target and you've already met that target, you should leave. So I was targeting minimum 10k today. At one point of time I had crossed 10k, but then the market kept going up and down, so it was just floating at 8,000, and then from there it just came to minus 1, minus 3. Then I pulled it back to minus 1 by shorting it over here. Once I saw this doji, so once I saw this wick, I shorted heavy quantity and I took this decay. Anyway, this happens. This is part of the market. I'm so glad that it's a holiday tomorrow, so I will be looking to take some time off and just see what Reliance did to me and what Nifty did to me today. I just need to break away from all this for some time. So I'll see you guys next on Friday. Have a great day ahead.